My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Shiba token. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram, on Telegram, that what should we do at this time? Is it the best time to buy, sell or hold Shiba token, friends? So finally I can't reply everyone at once. That is why I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best decision for all of you. After doing a research, after doing a technical analysis, I start this video for to my viewers that what is the best decision for all of you. And this video I will share with all of you, friends. Keep watch. And friends, I request all of you that please, if you have any type of question, tell me in the comment box. And please request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates video, friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, friends. The current price of the Shiba token is 0.000018 USD dollar, and if you look the price since occur in the Shiba token, so the last 1 hour pricing as negative 0.83%, and the last 1 day price is negative 13.47%. Absolutely, the price is in negative. That is why they message me on Instagram that what should we do at this time. Let's see the price chart for more details and let's take a decision, friends. As you can see here, if you look the price is occur in the last 1 week, so the pricing is positive 158.74%. And if you look the chart, so as you can see here, now from the previous last 4 days, the Shiba token price is going fast down. Let's check it out, the last 1 month price chart of the Shiba token for the technical analysis. As you can see here, friends, now if we do technical analysis, so let's suppose that is support line and this is a technical analysis, friends. That is a resistance line, take a jump fast down, and now as you can see here, they take a jump for that jump again fast down, friends. I hope that they will bounce with this support line and they will take a high jump, friends. Now and they will reach to the support line tomorrow. So I hope that they will take a jump from tomorrow, friends. So now it's time to take a decision, as it is time to buy, sell or hold. My personal suggestion for all of my viewers is that it's time to hold Shiba token and make a good amount of profit with the Shiba token, friends. What do you think? I think that now at this time it's the best time to hold Shiba token and make a good amount of profit with the Shiba token in the future, friends. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. I'm 100% sure that Shiba token make you millionaire. Please tell your prediction in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Friends, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, friends. That is best for all of you, friends. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button now. Stay connected with us.